Network. TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, folks. This is Steve Rhodes coming to you live from sunny Delray Beach, Florida. And this is your 1 p.m. update. Currently, we've got all the indices, all the U.S. indices trading to the downside. The Dow up 504 points. That's 1.5%. The S&P's down 2.25% or 88 points. NASDAQ 100's off a little over 3.25%, 433 points. Russell 76, 3 3/10. The semis are off 5 points. What we have going on here, folks, is a good old-fashioned liquidation. At least that's Stevie's belief when I take a look at these screens out here. Why? Well, You've got all the U.S. indices trading to the downside. You've got gold trading to the downside. That's off $26. Silver down 34 cents. You've got the 30-year Treasury continuing its trek lower. It's off by almost 2 points right now, 1 and 26/32 out there. And the U.S. dollar index is down. So, and if this is a liquidation event, some of my tools out here maybe won't work so good, but we're going to take a look at them anyways. Let's go look at the charts and what they're communicating to us right now at 1:01 in the afternoon. You've got the ES Mini. It has a topping pattern. That topping pattern formed back on February 16th. The key level to be watching here for the ES Mini is 38.21. If price closes below 38.21, let's make it the low from a couple of days ago. That'll be the easier one. That low is 38.04. Then we should see the ES Mini head all the way back down to 36.97 before this liquidation event potentially would be over. If you take a look at the spot volatility index, it's trading above its 50-day exponential moving average, 23.72, but it's doing it in the way that has a one-day rate of change much greater than 10%. So that says, assuming that the market finishes very poorly, and we have a one-day rate of change greater than 10%, you can expect to anticipate some type of a bounce, maybe even a bottom, but certainly a bounce in the overnight action. The NQ right now is busting through all trend lines. So the real key level to be watching here is also going to be the low from a few days ago, 2 days ago. That low is 12,757.25. You get below that, we'll have to pull up my other charts to give you a feel for where price is headed to. The U.S. dollar index, we can see that's below its bottom of its daily profile. But gold is testing the bottom of its daily profile. I can't figure out which of these two are correct. And maybe they're both correct because there's a liquidation going on and there's some type of funds. Maybe it's a sovereign government type fund that's out there, but there's liquidation that is going on. Absolutely. Silver now getting back inside its profile. It closed below 27.57. Shoot, it can run all the way down to 25.33. Folks, stay tuned for the Trader's Edge show. But if you're off to start your Thursday, well, what we want you to have is a thirsty one. But stay tuned for the Trader's Edge show. Take care, folks.